Welcome to Cakes with Lorelie. Today we're going to do a cake tasting. I'm going to share with you how I prepare my cake tastings for my brides and grooms. We had 2 cake tastings this weekend. One of them was a curbside pickup, and the second one was in my kitchen. Stay to the end to see the reenactment of that cake tasting. For these tastings, I'm doing 6-inch cakes and cupcakes. 2 layers of cake instead of 3. The actual wedding cake is 3 layers. And then just making the cakes look nice. Because one of these is a curbside pickup, I'm simply going to give them the cakes in a box to take home, and they're going to do it with their family there. And they have 6 people at the tasting. So I gave them plenty of cake. With cupcakes, I fill them, in this case, with lemon cream cheese filling, and then on top is the buttercream. I used Italian meringue buttercream. I made plenty of cupcakes knowing that we were going to have a lot of people tasting this cake. You can get these boxes on Amazon. I have a link below for you, and also the cardboard rounds. Make sure to cover your cupcakes with plastic because they do dry out quickly. A simple ribbon and your business card is all you really need, and then just label the cakes. And there you go. So this is going to be picked up curbside. And here is a picture of the tasting. How beautiful. And for the cake tasting in my home, I will just plate up the cakes for the tasters. And now, in lieu of the bride and groom, Scott and I are going to do a reenactment of the actual tasting.
Hi, people. We had a lovely couple here for a cake testing, and we asked them if they would mind if we filmed them and for our own selfish purposes. They said no. We wrote down every single word they said, and then we recreated it right here. So what you're seeing is what actually happened.
You know I love you, so I'm gonna try this cake, but I don't know about this, so I don't know cake. So what are we doing? Okay, let's go.
Let's start with this one.
All right, looks good.
Wow. Here, you try.
Wow. Okay. I hope it goes good with my cigar. Wow. Holy.
I'm glad you agree.
You don't have to taste the other one.
Oh my God.
Oh, the chocolate mousse might be the winner. Let me see. My opinion is more important than yours. I'm the husband. Yeah, it's good, but there's something about that first one.
All right, let's try this one. This is a carrot cake.
Carrot cake. Sounds like it's good for you.
Oh my God.
Which is the top? Oh my God.
How do we know how to choose here?
Okay, I'm gonna say this right now. I gotta stay in character.
Don't go out of character.
Don't
here.
go out of character. The carrot cake has the most flavor, the most body to it.
Depth, yes.
The carrot cake, but no one likes it.
Why does nobody like it?
They all want the first one.
Because this looks like a wedding cake piece of cake.
So they're going by how it looks.
All right, let's go.
That's why I married you. I got a question. Why can't you make a cake which is all of these in one cake?
No comment.
No comment. I want a cake made of all of these in one cake. I'm rich. I'll pay whatever I gotta pay. I want a cake. I want my cake the way I want my cake. If you ain't gonna work with me, I'll go down the street.
Down the street?
Yeah, down the street. When you're on the street, there must be a cake on every street.
You must be talking about my friend Cheryl down the street. I send people to her all the time.
Right, down the street. That's where I'm going. I'm going down the street to see Cheryl. Right? You won't work with me. Why won't you work with me?
Goodbye.